animal lovers! Welcome back to Quiz Bunny. Think you've got the eyes to spot this sneaky creature hiding in the crowd? Today's fun challenge is Find the Odd Emoji Out Sea Animals Edition. You've got 40 rounds and just 10 seconds to catch each sneaky imposter. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into our first animal puzzle. Which fish emoji looks unique in this bunch? Great start. Here is the odd one. Spot the whale emoji that looks different from the rest. Great job, you spotted it perfectly. Which dolphin is not like the others? Bingo! The odd one is here. Memory test. Remember the positions of emojis. Now, where was the starfish emoji? You got it! Number 5. One of these emojis is different. Which one? Correct. You found it. Among these mermaids, which one is the sneaky odd emoji? Well spotted! The answer's right there. Which squid doesn't fit in this emoji set? Aha, that's the different one. There are 3 differences between these 2 pictures. Can you identify them all? Great! Here are the differences. Spot the single emoji that's not matching. Good job! The odd one is here. Which octopus emoji is the odd one out in this row? You did it! That's the unique one. Take a close look. Which catfish doesn't belong here? Nice catch. The emoji is hidden right here. Stay sharp. How many times can you spot starfish, squid, octopus, and catfish emojis? Awesome! Here is the answer. Look carefully. One seashell is unique. Can you spot it? Good job! The odd one's right here. Can you spot the unusual emoji in this bunch? catch! This one is unique! What about the oyster emoji? Wow, you nailed it! Find the emoji that does not have a pair. Amazing! It's an orca without a match. Can you find the odd orca hiding here? Nice catch! That's the odd one. Which emoji looks different from the bunch? The odd one is right here. Find the shrimp that doesn't match the rest. Great job! This one is different. Look, this shrimp emoji is getting shuffled. Now after hiding, your challenge is to guess under which cup it's hidden. The answer is cup 2. Spot the different emoji here. Exactly! That's hidden right here. Out of these emojis, which one stands out? Well done, this one's odd. Which walrus emoji isn't like the others? Nice eyes, you caught the odd one. Take a good look at all the emojis. Ready? Do you remember where the jellyfish emoji was? Great job, it's on number 2. Find the odd jellyfish among this bunch. Awesome find! That's the one that stands out. Find the odd lobster emoji out. Can you see it? Sharp eyes, that's the odd lobster. Look closely. Which clownfish stands out? The odd one is right there. 3 sneaky differences are hiding here. Did you catch them all? That's it! Those are the changes! Which emoji is the odd one in this set? one doesn't belong? Quick, which emoji doesn't belong? That's the odd one. Where's the weird surfboard emoji among these? That's the different one. Can you count all the clownfish, seal, eel, and surfboard emojis? Well done, you counted all. See the sneaky clam emoji? Yes, there it is! Which penguin emoji is the odd one? That's the odd one out. Only one turtle is different. Can you find it? The turtle imposter is here. Look closely. There's one emoji without a match. Can you find it? You nailed it! It's a frog emoji! Can your eyes find the out-of-place frog? That's a different one. The frog is on the move. After the shuffle, guess the hiding spot. You got it! Cup 1! Can you point out the unusual emoji? That's the rare one. Which stingray is the imposter here? Spotless! That stingray is the imposter! How many odd emojis did you spot? Drop your score in the comments. If you had fun, smash that like and subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome quizzes.